When you're first starting out making mushrooms, you buy these little syringes full of mycelium. Look closely. It's almost no moisture.
It's time to open up the pressure cooker and take out perfectly sterilized rye grain jars. You want to make sure that your area is clean, you're wearing gloves, and that you have used 70% isopropyl alcohol to sanitize everything. Be sure also to check the integrity of the syringe, then remove the seal, attach the needle, and tap the syringe to mix the culture before insertion. Here we go. The flame is on. Remove the lid and place the needle directly in the flame for a good 15 to 30 seconds. Make sure that the needle is red hot in color to kill off any bacteria. Remember to sanitize the syringe in the flame every time before moving on to the next jars. We added about 1 to 2 cc's in each jar, labeled them with the date, and set them aside in a cool, dark space.
Hey, it's been about 6 days since we injected this with the liquid cultures. You can see the mycelium's growing in, but it's all in this spot and it's all underneath down here. So what we do to just evenly disperse the mycelium with the rye is just mix it up, and in about 4 or 5 more days, so that we're full and ready to go.
That's not snow, it's healthy, thriving mycelium. Ready for phase 3, the grow bags.